What's going on, guys? It's Cybex, aka Mossy. Man, I messed the intro up. But anyway, welcome back. And yeah, today I'm just gonna do another quick trade review breakdown. Only traded SPY today, and yeah, it's gonna be another red day for me. Not the best start to the month. And yeah, overall, let's go ahead and break down what I did and the trades that I took today. So yeah, basically the trades that were coming to the day. Nothing else really looked interesting. I had other tickers on watch, individuals names on watch as well, but didn't really see any solid setups on them for me to take. So yeah, looking back at this, this was a very dumb trade because I tried to replicate what happened the prior trading day, which was taking shorts below the 417.50 level, and yeah, so I mean, coming into the day, as you guys can see, we're in this range. SPY closed above 421, which is bullish. So we'll see how Friday's price action may or may not trade it, unless I see a really high quality setup. Because yeah, I mean, I want to really look back. I've been read 3 days in a row, and I want to really look back and study for this weekend and really go through my journals and reflect. So anyway, coming to the day, saw pre-market. Hover around this 417 level to 417.50 level here. We had some wicks and stuff like that, and right off the open, we kind of like had a little bit of profit taking or sell off or whatever you want to call it, a little bit of a drop down here, and for me, I wasn't coming to the day. I wasn't really biased, so I was taking like, hey man, whatever's price action's going, that's where I'm gonna go. So one of my mistakes is that looking back now, I wasn't really looking at because what I need to focus on is actually looking at ES and SPX, which it's hard for me to because I'm still not used to like what level is what on SPY to what level is what on ES and SPX, if that makes sense. So I'm gonna need to focus on that because I noticed that just today it's like, okay, that makes sense of why it did that, or this makes sense of why it bounced and held this level because of SPX and ES levels. So yeah, coming to the day, just simple short, nothing too crazy. Saw that we were just selling off and wanted to take shorts again below 417.50. Entered like in this candle, I believe, right here. No. Sorry, entered on the 634 candle here. Saw the volume come in, and then stop loss was very tight. So as soon as say we touched 417.50, I was out. And yeah, I mean basically entered with two contracts here, got out at 220, entered with 234, price of 234, got out at, I believe this is the 415 puts, so next week's expirations, and yeah, got out here, TP hit, and yeah, so basically that was my first trade, and second trade was seeing that we broke below 417, and my mistake was, honestly for this one was not looking at the 5 minute time frame. So to be honest with you, even though I was kind of looking at it, but I wasn't really like paying attention, if that makes sense. And that caused me to, and also looking at SPY and ES as well, SPX and ES as well. So that kind of also made me not really be getting the whole picture, not really fully taking in the whole picture of what is happening with price action. So yeah, entered here with puts again. I believe the 413 puts of next week. 185, and I stopped out. I had a very tight stop loss. I was gonna say, I was like, hey man, if we don't really see the volume coming in, and if we don't really drop down like I wanted to, then I'm just out. And then this candle here, I exited out of this candle here at 176. So right around the hold of 417, you could say. When this candle tried to, when this candle reclaimed the 417, it's like the hold number or whatever you want to call it. But yeah, then pretty much down the day, ended the day with $38 loss, and yeah, not the best start, but we learn and we move on. So I think the important thing is that I managed my um, some good takeaways is that I respected my stop loss, and yeah, I mean that's pretty much it. Nothing else. There's only two trades for today on SPY. And yeah, I'll catch you guys tomorrow on the next one or next week if I don't trade. So yeah, thank you.